Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you what's included in the Epidemic Sound free trial. Before we start, if you don't have an Epidemic Sound account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get a 30-day free trial. You'll be able to test premium music, sound effects, and the main features without paying during the trial. So it's the best way to follow this tutorial with your own account. All right, once you've signed up, using our link, during your 30-day trial, you get complete unrestricted access to Epidemic Sound's library of over 55,000 tracks and 250,000 sound effects. You can download as many songs or sound effects as you want, and you are legally allowed to earn money from your videos via ads or sponsorships during this trial period. Also, you get to use the Epidemic Sounds studio right here, as well as Sound Match, okay, and all of the Epidemic Sound features. But just make sure, if you're using the free trial, you would go ahead and go to your profile right here, click on account, and click on save list, then go ahead and save list your channels. For example, you have a YouTube channel, add it right here. So as you can see, I've been using the Pro plan. You can go ahead and add 3 YouTube channels right here, 3 TikTok channels, and some other channels. So why is that? Epidemic Sound right here uses digital fingerprinting to protect its artists. Now, if you're using their music in a video but haven't linked your, for example, YouTube again, TikTok, Instagram, or Twitch, your video will get a copyright claim. So once linked, Epidemic Sound's system whitelists your channel so your videos bypass the automated copyright filters. Now, what happens if you cancel? Okay, so this is where most creators get confused. To answer it in the most simple way, okay, listen closely. Any video, podcast, or social media post you publish online while your trial is active is safe forever. Even if you cancel the trial on the 29th and never pay them a dime, those specific videos are grandfathered. You will never get a copyright claim on them, and you can keep monetizing them indefinitely. So if you want to avoid being charged, you can cancel it before the 30th day. As if you don't cancel it, the trial will automatically convert into a paid monthly or annual subscription. Now, if you want to know how to cancel it, we already got a video for that, okay? You can go ahead and check it out. But that's just basically it. That is Epidemic Sound free trial explained. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.